Hi all, welcome back. So today on the Becca Tries playlist we are going to be making some butter. So stick along, enjoy the ride and enjoy me making some butter. So for making your butter you're going to need some double cream, or heavy cream or whipping cream depending where you're from. So I've got quite a bit because I'm going to make a couple of batches. And then this bit is optional, which is your salt. You can either make unsalted or salted butter, but I'm going to make some salted butter. So we'll go to me pouring the cream in the bowl. So the next thing you're going to do is grab your whisk. In this case I've got my hand whisk, or if you want to use a blender, or if you want to use a stand mixer, that'd be great, or if you want to do it by hand, that's cool also. So it's just going to be a case of mixing it until it kind of becomes separated, so it's going to be quite a while. So I'll come back to you once it's kind of reached the whipped cream phase, and then we can check in from there then. Just to let you guys know, I forgot to mention as well that the in terms of the whipped cream that I've got in here, I've got 2 pints, or it's equivalent to 1200 mils or 1.2 litres that I've got in here. If you want to do a small batch, that's fine. But in terms of the butter to buttermilk ratio, you're gonna get half. So for me, I'm gonna probably get half a kilo of butter out of this, probably, if that. So just thought I'd let you guys know. So we're at that point now where it's got to whipped cream, so this would be a fantastic thing to put with puddings and trifles and stuff like that. So we're going to go past that point, so if you want to use it for whipped cream, stop here, but otherwise we will keep going. It did take me about 5 minutes on high speed to get to this point. So at this point it's starting to kind of separate and you get all the milk, which is your buttermilk there. So I'm going to keep going until we get the most out of it, till it kind of separates completely. I have been doing this for another 10 minutes, so we'll just see how we get on in terms of time, and I'll keep you guys updated. So that is the butter pretty much done, essentially, other than rinsing it off. So I've got like 1.5 of the containers of buttermilk, so I'm going to use that to like marinate some chicken or something else. So it'll just be a case of rinsing this off. So what we'll do is we'll fill this with some ideally ice cold water. If not, then just use some cold water. It'll just be a case of tipping it in and rinsing it until the water becomes clear. So that is your butter pretty much done. If you want unsalted butter, then that's it. If you want salted butter, then it's just going to be a case of adding your salt in. So give it a good amount, and then it'll be a case of just trying it and just making sure you've got enough salt in there. So in terms of the butter, I've made nearly 500 grams in this pot, and then there's a bit left over, so that's probably another 250 there, if that. And I've also made myself some nice toast with the butter. So that is it, pretty much all done, guys. So if you like this video, go like, comment, subscribe, and see you all later for another Becca Tries or something different. See you later.